honey, she said no contour today. She wanted blush. She said, hi spring. It's just the way I do my eyebrows, ladies, let me tell you. Oh, she looks like a cute little anime character.
Ooh, this is my shit. Let me hear you say, holla back, holla back, back, holla back, back, holla back, holla back,
Hi primas, what is up, what is new, what is shapoppin'? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Primas, today's video I bring you a challenge. Today I'm gonna be taking on the $20 makeup challenge and seeing if I can beat this face for only $20. First things first is moisturizer. Now I'm taking this Real Floral Air Cream. Now that cream is literally all dry on my face, I actually love it. It gives you like a little dewy look. Before I jump into my foundation, I like to go in with my eyebrows first. Now I am a huge fan of eyebrow pencils, so I'm excited to try this one out and see if it really works. And so far, it's so cute. Love the packaging. Made in Korea. Little light for my eyebrows, but down to try it out. Wow, so far not bad at all. I definitely am a huge fan of the moisturizer and the eyebrow pencil. Oh, I really want to try out the toner today. Oh, this foundation packaging, sickening. Look how cute that is. The next product I actually want to show you is Stylevana actually sent over a lip balm, and I'm actually going to use this as not only on my lips to give it a little bit more color, but I'm actually going to put this on my cheek for blush as well. So, oh my god, it's a freaking corazon, primas. Literally, look how cute that is. You're literally kidding. Oh my god, where was this for my Valentine's Day look? Oh, it just like stamped little hearts. Oh honey, she said no contour today. She wanted blush. She said, hi spring. I'm taking this in the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just rub it on my face here, brush it on lightly, not too crazy. This is literally so cute. I actually really do like this. And I love that it's freaking hearts. Like, it has a little heart on it. That's so fucking cute. And I'm not literally taking it and brushing it on my face. I'm like bouncing it on the skin first, and then I'll take it and brush. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be my everyday makeup routine. Oh, she looks like a cute little anime character. I'm just going ahead and just make little dots for some freckles. And honestly, since this pencil is so light, the freckles come on really light too. James, sweetie, I literally just came for your brand. You better get that bag and run, sis, cause Peterbread is here serving looks, period. Next, I'm gonna be taking their Time Shadow, and this is literally sickening. I've lived for this packaging. It's so tiny, so cute, on the go for your everyday makeup look. I'm gonna be taking this Time Shadow to do my eyes today. Look, it's a little clock. Now this is literally just like a 3 eyeshadow thing, so I'm just gonna go for a very natural look today. If you're literally a simple girl or boy, primo prima, check out Stylevana down below. They have literally endless amount of products on their site, and if you are just starting into makeup and you just want to get makeup for an affordable price, check them out. They are definitely sickening. I could actually use this as contour, but I'm actually living for this little look that we have going on right now. It's very nude, very natural, and super like spring. Like, I'm actually living for this little like cheek fantasy moment, and I don't even have contour on. That's the crazy part. Alright, primas, I'm gonna definitely finish up today's look with using this cute lipstick. I'm just gonna apply it in the center of my lips and honestly just do that little Korean beauty trend, a little Korean beauty moment. I'm living for this look. It's so cute, so natural. Like, I don't know, I could just be in over my head. Now, this is a very simple nude look, and I'm definitely living for it. She's cute, I'm living for it. I definitely like the foundation. I don't know how long it lasts because I literally just put it on. I'm gonna go eat with Mr. Chavez, and we're gonna go have a little dinner moment. I'll let you guys know how the face looks and stuff after. If you guys are a makeup fiend or you guys are new to makeup and you guys wanna play around with some makeup, I definitely recommend this website.